Alright. Ready? Okay. Over here. Punch, 1, 2. Hold them up. Ready?
To my neck.
Do the knees?
Yeah.
Put the pads down here so I can do the knees. Ready? Like this. See how I get around your neck? I can control you. My wrists are tight. I can pull you down, push you away. Boom, knee, knee, knee. 1, 2, 1, 2. Go ahead. Good. Good. All right, let Daddy do the hands. Your turn.
Okay.
Come on. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2. Straight punch. Knees. Good. Do this one. Do that knee too. Good. Kick. Good. 1, 2. All right, cover up. They're coming back. Cover up. Punch. 1, 2. Just straight punches, one at a time. Settle down. 1, 2. Right? Okay. Kick. Kick. Knee. Good, knee. Oh, good. 1, 2, 1, 2. All right, all done. High fives. Yeah, good job, kiddo.